Hey there! Welcome to the video. If you're watching this, chances are you care about the world around you and its future. Climate change is no longer a distant concern. It's a reality we all must face. Over the next 8 minutes, we'll dive into why climate change matters, how it impacts your life today, and what you can do to make a difference. So, let's get started. At its core, climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperature and weather patterns. It's largely driven by human activities, especially the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. These activities release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, trapping heat and causing global temperatures to rise. This is what we call the greenhouse effect. We've seen the effects of this warming: melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and extreme weather events like hurricanes, wildfires, and floods. Climate change isn't just an environmental issue. It's a human issue, affecting communities, economies, and public health across the globe. Let's zoom out for a moment. Climate change isn't just about warmer weather. It's about the complex ecosystems that are disrupted. Coral reefs, for example, are dying at an alarming rate due to ocean acidification and rising water temperatures. This loss affects marine life and the millions of people who depend on seafood for survival. We're also witnessing more frequent wildfires, droughts, and devastating floods. These natural disasters are increasing in severity, putting millions of lives at risk, especially in vulnerable areas. The reality is, the planet is suffering, and so are we. Now, let's talk about how climate change affects your health. Extreme heat waves can lead to heat strokes, dehydration, and respiratory problems. The rising temperatures also contribute to the spread of infectious diseases, like those carried by mosquitoes, such as malaria and dengue fever. On top of that, air pollution, worsened by climate change, increases the risks of asthma, heart disease, and other respiratory illnesses. People with pre-existing conditions, children, and the elderly are especially at risk. Climate change also comes with an enormous economic price tag. In the U.S., severe weather events cost billions each year. From the damage to homes and infrastructure to the loss of crops, communities are spending more on recovery. This drives up insurance premiums, disrupts industries, and burdens taxpayers. And let's not forget about the industries most affected. Agriculture, fishing, and tourism rely heavily on stable climates. As temperatures rise and weather becomes unpredictable, crop yields decline, and fishing zones shift. Jobs are lost, economies are disrupted, and whole regions face economic instability. So, what can you do about it? Well, the truth is, young people have the power to drive change. Whether through voting, protesting, or simply raising awareness, your voice matters. You can push for climate-friendly policies, demand action from governments, and support businesses that prioritize sustainability. Today's young generation is more connected and educated than ever before. You're not just passive observers, you're the leaders of tomorrow. Whether it's advocating for renewable energy or demanding that companies reduce their carbon footprints, you have the influence to shape the future. Don't underestimate the power of small changes. Start by reducing your carbon footprint. Use public transport, cycle, or walk. Cut down on plastic usage, switch to energy-efficient appliances, and choose sustainable food options. These actions, when adopted by millions, can have a huge collective impact. And don't forget, vote with your dollar. Support companies that care about the environment and sustainability. Every decision you make, whether it's as simple as switching to a reusable water bottle or as big as investing in green energy, matters. As we look to the future, It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the scale of the challenge. But remember, change is possible. The choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. Together, we can build a sustainable future, protect vulnerable communities, and ensure a healthier planet for future generations. Now, more than ever, the world needs action, and that action starts with you. So, take the first step today. Together, we can make a difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on how we can all take part in tackling climate change. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What actions are you taking to fight climate change? Let's start a conversation. See you in the next video.